Welcome to the Cardinal Minute with your host and chair of the University of Louisville Department of Medicine, Dr. Kim Williams.
And good morning. I'm Dr. Kim Allen Williams, chair of medicine here at the University of Louisville, and welcome to a Cardinal Minute. We're here with Dr. Natalie Dupré, who is actually in our School of Public Health, and she presented a fascinating grand rounds entitled Examining Environmental Exposures as Novel Risk Factors for Breast Cancer Subtypes, Radon Metals, and Dioxins. Dr. Dupré, can you summarize your talk in 1 minute?
Sure. I think that the work that we've done has shown that environmental exposures can really impact different breast cancer subtypes, and that the research is really prime for more. I also think that we can be utilizing our state tumor registries to answer interesting questions to help us target screening programs at a bit more granular level than just county or state levels.
Well, that is really tremendous. We learned a lot about the different exposures, and hopefully everyone will take a listen to the full grand rounds and try to do everything it can to mitigate these kinds of exposures. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And this has been a Cardinal Minute.